Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, let PQRSTU be a regular hexagon. So, let us draw a regular hexagon. This is PQRSTU. Then the ratio of the triangle PRT, P R and T, to that of the hexagon PQRSTU is. Now let the side of the hexagon be x units. X units. Now since triangle and let us join the points PS by a line, and let the center of PS be O. Let us join UO and UT. Then triangle POU is an equilateral triangle of side X. Therefore, area of hexagon is equal to 6 into area of equilateral triangle. So that is 6 into root 3 by 4 x squared is equal to 3 root 3 by 2 x squared. Now let this point be M, that is where UO and PE intersect. So now PM is the median of equilateral triangle POU. Therefore, area of POM, area of triangle POM is equal to half into area of triangle POU, that is half into root 3 by 4 x squared, which is root 3 by 8 x squared. Similarly, area of triangle TOM is equal to half area of triangle TOU, and this is equal to root 3 by 8 x squared. Therefore, area of triangle PTR is equal to 6 into area of triangle POM, that is 6 into root 3 by 8 x squared, that is 3 root 3 by 4 into x squared. Hence, the required ratio is 3 root 3 by 4 x squared by 3 root 3 by 2 x squared, which is 2 by 4, equals half. Option B.